really going on? I'm back on the throne, Mr. Easy E, man, y'all niggas know it. Niggas up in the city, yeah, the money about to blow it. I got these bitches on the job like every night. I'm on the motherfucking plane flying like a kite. Y'all niggas can't understand this fight tonight. I got these niggas on that motherfucking crib tonight. We packing fucking guns. Yeah, you got it, son. That niggas can't understand, nigga, I'm the one to come through and break up all the blunts. You niggas can't understand, nigga, y'all just in fronts. You lost your mind, yeah, I found the sun. I got my motherfucking 40 Glock, yeah, gun. That niggas better understand, nigga, I'm the one to worry about up in the city, yeah, I'm the son of the city, your motherfucker call me the Don. King Easy E, nigga, yeah, I'm about to blum. GAP up in this bitch, yeah, we bout to burn. Y'all niggas can't understand, we forgot it, son. Yeah, your bitch dog, I got a son. She on my pastor's dog, I giving all the bones up. And I don't really give a fuck, cause I'm out there bitch and I'm out this shit. Y'all niggas can't really give a fuck, and I'm out this shit. Going up out this bitch, going up my mind trick. Let me go up to the town and buy a fucking 9 trick. I'm finna lay it down like some old thorough. You niggas talking shit like that nigga Laduro. Y'all niggas better understand I'm in this shit. I'm on that shit and I'm on that bitch. And I'm finna fuck this fucking that shit. Loving that shit and I'm taking that shit. Fucking these hoes and I'm loving that bitch. You gotta let's roll up one stupid ass, stinking ass trick. Full-time hustle, full-time grind. Y'all niggas can't understand I'm on my shine. Pussy ass niggas gon' lay it down. Y'all niggas gon' give up the fucking crown. And y'all niggas better understand this, cause I'm up on this shit, nigga. I'm ripping tracks up on these pussy ass niggas. Y'all kiss that shit goodbye. Y'all niggas can't kiss that shit goodbye. And y'all niggas better understand this. I'm all up in this bitch mind, going up in this motherfucker like a dread, twisted, clicked it, popping fucking Glock and I kicked it, hitting niggas down up on the block like a minute. Damn, who is these niggas really, man? Y'all niggas can't understand. I'm up in the city, man. Look behind me, dog. I'm in it, man. You see the dog, nigga? I'm in it, man. Start to the sky, y'all niggas see it, man. I'm the crown, nigga, you niggas can't see it, man. I'm in the spaceship and I'm really just flying, man. I'm from this motherfucking nigga and I'm blind, man. Goddamn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's different hoes. I'm counting out. You niggas better round up, cause I'm up in this bitch, dog, in the crown truck. Y'all niggas can't understand. I'm finna break it down, bring it back to the sand. Y'all niggas can't understand that I got it. Your bitch on my nuts, dog, and she got it. Like T-Pain, and I'm so motherfucking here. Motherfucker, bring it down, cause I'm also fucking hood. I'm off in this bitch, nigga, you know what's really good. You niggas say you want me, well, come get it, little hood ass nigga. Same thing, y'all niggas talking that shit. Pussy ass niggas better understand I'm the shit, you're legit. Fucking hoes ever rich away up in this bitch. Y'all niggas understand I will never switch on my click and never fuck up the game. You niggas talking shit, dog, y'all just lame. Brain niggas in the game, cause I'm going the same. Pussy ass niggas talking shit, this hoe just gave me brain. Y'all niggas better understand I'm going crazy in this bitch, cause I'm not your man, your friend, or none of that, nigga, lay it up. I'm finna get blacked up in this truck. I jump out with the gun and I let it rip. You niggas better understand, nigga, cut the lip. Stop the talking, fuck the bitch and get the walking. Y'all niggas better understand I'm not just talking. I'm not just talking, nigga. This shit for real, my nigga. This shit is getting real serious. This shit getting out of hand, my nigga. And I'm tired of talking to you bitch ass niggas. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying, nigga? I'm very tired of talking to you niggas. You know what I'm saying, nigga? Don't fuck with me, homie. And this is a public announcement brought to you from Mr. Easy E, nigga, the best of the motherfucking best, nigga. Better yet, keep the motherfucking easy on my nigga, you know what I'm saying, nigga. Everything is good around here, nigga. We all eating good. Shout out to the GAP niggas, my nigga Tevin, everybody, nigga. You know what I'm saying? I bullshit right now, nigga, but that's just, you know what I'm saying, how I get down, nigga, you know what I'm saying? I'm tired of the bullshit, nigga. GAP in this bitch, nigga. Rolling Records, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Alright, motherfucker.